All right, let's continue the game development process. I thought about, the way I want to see my game, and yeah, let's try to build something. Basically, first of all, I'm thinking we need a background, like in Fruit Ninja. So we're gonna go to Fruit Ninja background or something, and we're gonna get something tiled, because I want it to be infinite. That's what I'm thinking of. Let's see. If we choose my background tiled, like I just want these like planks on the background, and what I want to do is maybe create like some sort of a cube. Okay, we're gonna call it level, and basically, or like rather left wall. Okay, we're gonna stretch it out, boom boom, like this. We're gonna have another wall. It's gonna be our right wall. Let's rename it right wall, and we're gonna have a background like this, just object that is between them, and it's gonna be our like back wall, and our fruit is gonna fly through this like weird thing. Okay, we're gonna stretch them both like so, and it's gonna look like this to the player. That's what I'm imagining. We're gonna have our banana. Where is it? Where's our banana? This is it. We're gonna bring it here. All right, and basically we're gonna have a bunch of other bananas that will fly with us up. They're all gonna spawn. They're gonna maybe rotate or something, but our banana will be different. I'm not sure how exactly I'm gonna make it different, but maybe I can add like a glowy effect, or maybe add eyes to it. Not sure. And basically, they're all gonna fly up, and through the level, as they're flying up, there's gonna be this. Wait, I think I took yeah again. There's gonna be this thing flying towards them. So it's gonna look like this, and it's gonna move in an interesting way. Like it can move like just straight down. It can move like diagonally, or it can move like this, or it can move just in a circle, or I don't know, some sort of shape. And basically, other bananas, when they collect, and us also, they're just gonna be cut in half and just gonna start falling down. And when it hits us, then we lose as well. But just to create this effect that we're not alone and flying through this thing. And then obviously, the higher we go, the bigger our score is, and the higher we go, maybe the faster we go, something like that. And perhaps these shapes start to be closer to each other and create, more obstacles for us. Yeah, so that's my simple idea. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Okay, let me just watch my stream on my phone just to make sure that, everything is working properly. Yes, looks like it works properly. The microphone is on. Yes. Okay. Cool. Now, let's actually do this. Let's add the background, the image, because I really want to find it before we do stuff, because it will add to the ambiance. Yeah, I mean, this is something, but it's not cartoony. Old wood. Let's see, maybe wood cartoon background. Something like that. Yes, but I'm just afraid it's gonna be too tiled. It's gonna just look bad. Let's see. This one, I see it has a gradient, so it's not gonna be working very well. This one might. That, again. It's hard choice. And I want something of like high quality also. Perhaps I want the lines to be vertical. I think that makes more sense, actually, if it's vertical. See again, too. Although it's not too realistic. Let's try this one, for example. Let's create another folder in our project. Let's call it textures or images. Images. Okay, we're gonna show in Explorer. I'm gonna save this image to, where is it? Wait, so I showed it in Explorer and then it's not here. All right. Like so, and like, where is it? I have to go here. Yeah, right. Like this. Has a virus. How can this image have a virus? I don't get it. Okay, let's download another one then. Let's try. It's not gonna be good. Because I want it to be like flat like this one, but why can't I download it? Keep it. I think I'll survive. Okay, let's transform it into a sprite, yeah. Apply. How does it look like if we put it here? Is it stretching or not? Like if I make it more, yeah, it does stretch. But let's say if I'm gonna add another one here, like so. Hold V to attach it like this. Perhaps if I like rotate it 180 degrees here. Never mind. See, because the colors differ from this one to that one. So you see, it's not it's not perfect. But when it was like this, technically it didn't look so bad, you know? And what if I put it here also? Yeah, here it looks bad. Here it looks bad. Okay. Let's look for other images. What is this? Oh, it's like a roof. Let's just download a bunch of images and try them on, because you never know which ones will work well. Okay, if I save it in this format, yeah, it's not gonna work. I see. Okay. It's all about trial and error. This one seems tileable to me. Let's see. Looks pretty bad. Yeah. Maybe I need to create a material actually. Maybe. You see, that's where it creates them. And now if I make it tile more, this one? No? That's weird. Oh, it's normal map. Oh, I see. Where is it? Where's the... Why I don't see anything changing, even though I tiled it like a lot of times. It doesn't make sense. Offset doesn't work. Nah, something's wrong. This works. There's no normal map, so obviously. That's very weird. Why? Oh, here. Oh, God. Okay. My bad, my bad. 4, 4. No. Oh, God. Looks terrible. Terrible. Oh, my God. Okay, this image, no. This one works a lot better. Maybe this one? Maybe. One is better than the other. Oh my god. Seamless. Look. That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for seamless. Okay. Something tells me it's a bit too bright. Okay, I don't know. I really like this one. Okay? Like it looks pretty good. But then this one, I don't know. How could I think I need to create another material. That's what I need to do. I will do this. I will go to images, yeah. I'll delete every other thing because they all look disgusting. We're gonna delete these materials. Okay. Now we're left with this one. This is gonna be our like long one. Nah, how should I say it? Like back wall material. We're gonna copy it. This one is gonna be a side wall material. And we're gonna put it on these ones, and we're gonna change its styling to something better. Well, maybe something like this. You know what? It actually doesn't look too bad. So maybe if I also put the no, you know what? Yeah, looks bearable to me. Ah, but the problem with this one I remember was that if we copy it up, then they're not gonna fit. Like they're not gonna be seamless. That's the problem. Maybe I can put something in between them to sort of get rid of this edge. I'm not sure what I could put in here to smooth it out. Something around it, maybe. Just here. What does this look like? What could I do? Also something wooden, perhaps. Or not, or even metal, something from metal. God, I don't know, I need ideas. Maybe if I go to asset store, like something metal. Door, no. Metal sheets? Metal plates? Perhaps? I'm not sure if it would look good, but I can definitely try that. You know what? Yeah. Yeah, let's just see how it looks like. I didn't think that I would have to cover, my bad edges with metal stuff, but okay. Let's see. Metal plates, download. How big is it? Oh, okay, 37. That's fine. That is fine. The biggest file I think I've ever downloaded was like 3 gigabytes. So it's alright. I don't need the demo of this. Yeah. It looks good already, Looks looks awesome. If we go to our metal plates, prefabs, let's see. Okay, so there's this one. Okay, there's this one. Bluish one. Let's select the best looking one. Bluish one. God, why are they all inside? Okay, again bluish one. Is the again on a green? Is it also blue? I'm confused. Oh, it's like black. And then, okay, wait. One, two, oh, a red one also. Red one, no. I think it would look terrible. Black one of these ones would work. I think maybe blue is the best. Let's see. Let's get rid of these for now. Blue one, perhaps if I turn it here by 90 degrees, like so, and I put it here, and I make it, oh wow, it's pretty perfect, almost, okay, almost perfect. If I compress it just a little bit, like so, boom, and I copy it here, boom, and let's say I will copy this one like so, turn it by minus 90 degrees, put it like this, make it a bit longer, boom. Okay, I don't think I want to have any space in between them, maybe like this. Okay, like this, 90 degrees. Or minus 90 degrees, not sure. Not sure if there is a difference, but okay. Let's put it back like so, closer. Make it bigger. And even closer, like so. And let's put this one a bit closer. Let's make it a bit longer. Yeah. Okay, and then we only need one more here in the center. And I'm pretty curious how that's gonna look like. Okay, no, not one more. Maybe a few more. Okay, let's assume it's like this. Does that look good? Does it? Like if I'm playing the level, let's say I'm like this close. Maybe I need to make this wider actually. I'm not sure. Because I don't think I want to see anything apart from this, you know? Okay, and then if I'm going up and I'm at this part. Well, it definitely hides the edge, but I'm not sure that... What can I do here? Because I think it looks ugly when... On the sides, it actually looks fine. Like that's what attaches everything together, it seems. But here... No. Uh, Hard decision. I mean, yeah, let's for now let's just put this on. Like why not? Yeah, it looks pretty cheap, but you know, for now. Maybe later I will make it better. If I make this one bigger than those. Yeah, it looks terrible if I make it bigger. Let's just keep it the same size. Keep it the same size, maybe. Yeah, so there's no holes. Like this. We're gonna use V to connect them perfectly. Okay, now we have this group of stuff. We're going to put them a bit like this and stretch them all. Wait, maybe if I make it global. Nah. Center. Yes, sir. Okay. Something like this. Yeah. There's still a bit of a hole here. Now there is a hole. Hole here? Nah, please, please. Yeah. Yeah. And let's maybe remove the shadows from them. Is that gonna look better if I get rid of the shadows? Oh god, LOD groups. I don't need LOD groups. I should have noticed it beforehand, but fine. Well, they're all prefabs. Okay, let's apply. If I apply this one, okay. And I need to just get rid of the shadows. Like so. And apply it to everything else. Yeah. Yeah, I think it's better without shadows. Good, so I'm moving through the level. There's this weird thing. But I don't know, maybe I can find a use in this metal sheets. Shits. Okay. Now when I have this weird construction, I can maybe add all of these things to a new empty object called edge hider, because that's what it does. It hides the edge. So I'm gonna put this here like so, and now I think I missed one somewhere. Where's this one? Well, right, okay, it's right on top. Oh no. Okay. Okay, now if I want to put another one, I can just, Control D, boom. Great. Amazing. Let's save it also as a prefab. Like this. Maybe let's create folder fruits. Boom. And this is just our level thing. Okay, step 1 done. We have some sort of a background for our level. And let's say I want to make it wider. Because I might want to make it wider, actually. That's a good point, Jesus. Because I can't really make it wider since I have this thing now. We'll have to make it a part of the back wall, maybe? Okay, wait. Back wall, this down. So that's one piece of the puzzle. We need also an empty object called maybe level block. Okay, and we're gonna put this in the level block. No, this in the level block. And now let's say I want to stretch this level out. Does it stretch? Yeah, it does. It does. It does. But I'm thinking maybe this is a good size, actually. Yeah, actually I did it pretty well, because now if I want this one up on top of another one, boom. I just do it like this. So I can delete these ones, like so. Edge block, put it like that. Put this corner on this corner, boom. Perfect, and I can just stack them up infinitely. Perfect, amazing. So I don't need this edge hider, in fact. Yeah, I don't need it. So I can instead just have prefab unpack completely, level block. Level block is my prefab now, yes. Cool. Now when this is done, let's do something better. Let's make our controls, banana controls. Let's do this. First script, yes. Let's create a folder called scripts. And let's create a player movement. Yay. I'm not sure how exactly I want my player to move, to be honest. I mean, is it gonna be automatic, or do I want to move my finger or my cursor left to right, or do I want to do something else? Yeah, I'm not sure yet. Let's just open the player movement script. Because, okay, what are my options? Let's think about the options once again. Option number 1. I have a flying banana. It automatically moves up. Automatically. And all the player has to do is essentially move his finger, you know, or my cursor left to right. Like so. Okay. That's one option. Another option is it can bounce wall to wall. So basically, I would, I don't know. I can click and banana will bounce wall to wall. But it's not how it happens in the Fruit Ninja game, so I'm not sure about that one. So left to right seems better to me. At least right now. Now what's my other option? I can make it so that the banana follows the finger. You know, basically wherever the finger goes, my banana also moves with it. Maybe you can have like a certain delay, you know, between the finger and the banana. So let's say I move my cursor up and banana takes, I don't know, like 2 seconds to reach my cursor position. Or I move my finger down and then it also takes 2 seconds or something. And then we can upgrade this and then it will move immediately with the finger. I don't know. Is it a good idea? Is it? I mean, it's very similar to what I want to do from left to right. But then now I can just control the speed, technically. So, you know, I think I'm just gonna move my cursor left to right. That's what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna move the banana automatically up. Yes. Player movement, and also then let's create let me think. So all the fruits, because I'm thinking of how other fruits are gonna move up. So just, are they gonna move with the same speed, or are they gonna have like a variation of speed? So technically they have to move faster than my player then. I don't know. Where can I spawn the fruits from also? Maybe I can also kickstart the fruits. Like I can have like spawn positions here. Like, that's a pretty cool idea. And maybe it will represent a certain height, you know, like maybe 20 points or I don't know, 50 points. And with that, I can spawn fruits from here, or like from these places. And then in between each level, I'm gonna have like certain cursor that moves, you know, in various directions, or a few blades. That's my thinking right now. Okay. Uh, yeah, okay, so I'm gonna create another script called something like fruit up velocity. Because I want to put this script on both my player and my, AIs, not very smart fruits, but just flying up so that, I consistently add force to them up, some random force. But to the player, it's not random. It's a consistent force that, increases as we go up the level. That's what I imagine. But I'm not sure how I can increase it up the level. I mean, I'm gonna increase it up the level for everyone, for every fruit. So yeah, it works. It works. Yeah. I'll think about the details a bit later. Right now, all I need to do is say that each of these will have a rigid body. So type of rigid body. And I'm just gonna say, well, because I'm gonna spawn prefabs, right? I could have just serialize field rigid body. And with this, we will say dot add force. No, probably just velocity. Dot velocity equals new vector 3. We're gonna put rigid body dot velocity dot x. Rigid body dot velocity. Well, here no, we need some sort of force, and this force, I'm thinking for each fruit it's gonna be randomized, like for each AI and our. But for our player, it's not gonna be randomized. I feel like. Um. Hmm. Man, I don't know. I'm just gonna create some sort of speed variable for now. Uh, Up speed. And later I'll just come up with the details. Like up speed, and then again rigid body dot velocity dot z. Good. Alright, and now player movement, we're gonna require component type of fruit up velocity, and then this one will require rigid body. And with this, we're gonna say, well, we need to get the rigid body again. I mean, getting it twice is kind of bad, but I don't know. Yeah, let's just add it twice. Why not? Oops. I mean, technically, I could inherit, fruit up velocity. No, player movement from fruit up velocity, but you just, yeah, it's one variable for now, at least. If I'm gonna start sharing more variables, then yeah, then I will do that. Okay, and now we're gonna say that rigid body dot velocity equals new vector 3. It's another vector. And now it's, I think, the x, but it could be the z also. Wait. Yeah, it's the x. So we need player player movement speed, or just movement speed, because we know that's player's movement speed. Great. Okay, what we can do now is put semicolon, remove start. But now we need to actually follow the cursor, or the mouse. So movement speed times something times input dot movement or mouse position dot x divided by screen dot width. So that would give us what? Let's see, because we want to move add force, we want to add velocity. This is our max speed, and then our input mouse position x. We want it to be first if it's in the half point of the screen. So so that's 0, and here is 0, there -1, and here's 1. So perhaps minus screen dot width divided by 2, and then using this thing. So let's say if our position is here, then then it's minus width. Yeah, I'm just thinking how to do this properly. Looks doesn't look messy at all. But let me just comprehend myself what's happening. Basically, mouse X is I think it's 0 here, and then it's 1080 here, because it's, you know, my screen is 1080 pixels wide. Here it's 540. So I'm saying that if, you know, here, let's say my mouse is here, so it is 0 minus 540, so it's minus 540 divided by 540. So it means that here, this, all of this will equal to -1, and we're gonna move left. And then if my cursor is here in the right part of the screen, then, well, it's 1080 minus 540, that's positive 540, and then minus this, I mean divided by this, would equal to 1. So here it's -1, here's 1, and when it's here, then we get 0 here, and then 0 divided by anything is 0. So yeah, we basically made this like simple movement, but maybe I would put it in another variable, since it's a bit, oh, not a new method, oops, how's it, never mind. Let's create the variable float left right or something like mouse. I'm not sure how to better put this, but yeah, let's just name it like this. Okay, now let's try this out actually. Let's find our bananas. Here's our main banana, and there are our different bananas. Let's put them all here for now. Let's close all of this because it's a bit annoying. Just a bit. We're gonna add fruit up velocity to all of them. Now they all have rigid bodies. We don't want to add gravity to them. And that's it for now. Okay, we need to pass rigid body into them, which is, you know, this, and we're gonna apply all. Okay, now all of the bananas, oh well, they don't. That is strange. Why not? Where is this banana even? It's in my prefabs, right? So if I drag this one and this one, should work. Yeah, good, okay. And now we need to decide, well, this is gonna be our player, and we will also move it here so that it will bounce between these walls. Well, they don't have a collider actually, that's what I realized. Let's add a collider. Sphere? Nah. Not sure which one would represent better. Maybe capsule collider in this case. Make it a bit smaller, maybe. Wow, doesn't get much smaller. Okay, well, yeah, I want it to be in x-axis. Yeah, but why is it so small? 0.001 to the... Alright, so something like this. Okay, let's not just, yeah, spend a bunch of time on this thing. Now do these have... Yeah, now they have a collider, and also this one will have a player movement with movement speed of this and rigid body of this. Boom. Okay, now I want my camera here just so we can see the bananas flying upwards. Let me select the camera, Control Shift F, right? I think so, yes. Let's maybe put 000 here. And yeah, maybe let's slow down the upwards movement of our bananas. And also I realized that it will actually set the velocity constantly, while I would prefer if it only did it when we hold the left mouse button. Yeah, input.get key down, get just mouse button down, well, button like this, 0, boom, and then we put everything inside like so. Cool. Let's select all the bananas. Of their up speed will be, say, 2, and let's play the game. Okay, they're moving up. My banana follows the orders and flies around. Cool. Let's also make it so that my camera follows the banana at all times. So let's add Cine Machine because it's the best. Package manager. Although I don't even know if I need Cine Machine for this. Like, it's not that difficult to follow this object. Yeah, I don't even know if I need it. It makes it easier. So yeah, why not? Cine Machine. Although I remember I had like some performance issues because of Cine Machine. Yeah, you know, who cares? Okay, I will just create a script called camera movement, or rather follow camera. And we're gonna have a serialized field follow, transform follow target, and on update we're just gonna say, and we need an offset also, that's all we need. Follow offset, boom, which will equal to something. To, let's say, here it's 0 for x, then for y. Also, let's say, well, maybe let's move it a bit up. So 2, or I mean low, I mean a bit lower, so that we can see a bit more of the level. Nah, I mean a bit up. Jeez. And then a bit, outside. Let's just assume 7. 7 is a good number. yes, now transform dot position equals follow target dot position plus follow offset. And I mean, I probably want a smooth movement, so we can do lerp, or I could use, in fact, smooth dump, but I'm not sure how to use it at all times. So I'm gonna use lerp because that's what I know how to use. Lerp. I want to go from our transform dot position, and I realize now that I'm not using the correct lerp. Vector 3 dot lerp, and time dot time times some value that I will maybe tweak. Yeah, and if it looks bad, then I'll try smooth dump actually. Okay, let's see. Let's put it in late update. And my movement, actually, I realized it's not in fixed update, so let's put it probably in yeah, in fixed update is better. Although here we have input, so I mean, it doesn't matter because we are reading this every frame. Yeah. Late update. Good. Seems good. Let's put the follow camera on the camera. Follow target is my player banana player. Boom. Let's see. Yeah, probably -7, 8. Yeah, probably. Okay, doesn't look shaky at all. Oh, and also we don't stop our velocity when we stop moving from side to side. True. So it is shaky. Let's try changing some stuff. I mean, for this actually, what worked, I remember last time, is just setting this instead of late update, fixed update. So it updates the same time with the banana, with the rigid body. I'm not sure that it, yeah. And now here we're gonna say minus, even probably like -9 or something. Yeah, look at that. Pretty good, pretty smooth. Next step is something. Player movement. Yeah, letting go. When we say else here, I want my velocity to become 0. Vector 3, 0. Yeah. What else? I'm thinking whether I should rotate my banana or not. Or maybe not 0 immediately, but with a certain lerp. Oh no, that would be a huge mistake. What I've just done. Do I want some force still? I don't know. Wait, we'll find out when I try this. We're just gonna say rigid body dot velocity x. So we're just not gonna influence the speed. Yeah. Oh god. Okay. And we're just gonna play with how's it called? But it will actually slow down our banana. I wanted to say play with how's it called? I forgot. The drag amount, but no. Probably we also have to do lerp here. Yes, probably, yeah. To 0. So we'll say vector 3 dot lerp and well, we need to keep this new vector 3. We need to say vector3.lerp rigid body dot velocity new vector time dot delta time times 10, just a factor. Now let's see how that works. So moving slows down, boom, almost immediately actually, but so maybe let's multiply it by 5 or something. So it slows down, or 3 even, let's try 3. Okay, let's try it out. Yeah, it's pretty good. Maybe I can increase the player's speed a little, just a little bit. Up speed, moving speed, 10. Just moves faster, and then we can see that it, doesn't slow down immediately. Yes. Also, how does the camera look like again? I didn't pay attention. Almost perfect. I'm surprised that I calculated. Well, I didn't calculate it, but it looks pretty good somehow. Yeah, look at this. Pretty good. I mean, unless I change it like that. In comparison to this game, oh yeah, they also play in horizontal, so good. Although maybe this game needs to be played vertically, that's what I'm thinking. Like this. So then, yeah, probably that's much better. If I also move the camera back more. Yeah, then I can just make bananas better, like, yeah, and you can see further in the level. Since it's vertical, it doesn't make sense to put my screen like that if, yeah. Although it would actually maybe make it more interesting. I have to think about it, since what I'm thinking, if it's in like this, how it is now, and I zoom in with the camera, by zoom in I mean like this, then I can have multiple things going around like this, like one like that, then another one is like I don't know, looking like this, and they're moving like one in a circle, another one moves like left to right. Although I can do it also like this. I have to think about it. Just, yeah, leave it for later. Cool. So I got this movement and that. Yeah. I can make other bananas move a bit randomly, like just a bit faster than my player. Because I don't want them to move slower. Although, no, some of them can move slower, some of them faster. Let's go to fruit of velocity. And let's say... let's say the following. Up speed. Initially it's gonna be 5 or something like that. And after the start, we're gonna determine if we have get component, or try get component out player movement. But we say if we didn't find it, then we say up speed равно equals, let's say, and we need to add some sort of like min max. So vector 2 min max speed range, no, speed change, maybe, yeah, new vector 3 vector 2, sorry, we'll move maybe like -2 minus or 2 faster than us. Whoops. Maths.random. No? Wait, where was it then? Random dot range. Oh yeah, right. X and Y. Yeah. And we just need to plus this. Yeah. Good. So if we're not the player, we're gonna change our speed a little bit. Because for play, we always won't have the same speed throughout the level, unless we upgrade it or something like that in the future. Let's check it out now. Now it should feel a bit better, you know, that other bananas are slightly, you know, moving with a different speed. Oh, we can also bump other fruits. That's pretty cool, actually. I like that. So I'm gonna keep this feature, you know, not the bug feature. Cool. Wait a minute. Are we flying a bit in front of the camera now? After we hit each other? Yes, we are. Okay. So another thing I forgot to do is to actually get this banana and block, you know, fix its constraints, get its position. Because I don't want it to move on the Z. I want it to move on the Y and the X. Do I want it to rotate? That's another question. Do I want it to rotate like this or not? Let me think. I guess I don't care how it rotates, right? I mean, it can rotate however it wants, like this, like this. It can definitely rotate like. Although, if I would play this banana like that, it would be bad. For banana, like this is fine, and like this is fine. Yeah, so we can block the rotation that goes like this on the Y. Just for the bananas. For other fruits, if it won't, you know, be worse for the gameplay, I will keep it. But yeah. Yeah, we also need to maybe randomize the spawn rotations when I'm gonna be spawning other fruits. But for now, it doesn't matter. Okay, now when that is fixed, I can apply the changes. Cool. Haha. Oops, now every banana is our player. That's not very good. Nice. Okay, there's a lot of progress going on, I think. And just in 3 hours, we already have like some part of this game with bananas. Although we don't have our enemy set up yet. Let's think whether I want to do it now or later. We have our blade. We'll move like this and cut everything. Let me think. I'll probably do it a bit later. So in the next part, we're gonna do the movement of our enemy, of our blades, that will try to cut us, and we will do the, you know, the cutting actually of our banana in half. So we're gonna have in our prefab. Oh wait, where's the cut banana? Oh, I don't have it as a prefab. Oopsie. Okay, let's put it back together. Okay, I think I rotated it a little bit. What if I make it all 0, 0, 0? And this one also 0. Yeah, that's better. Now it's easier to put them together. 0, 0, 0. Ah, awesome. Okay, now I have the cut banana. And I'm gonna put it in my prefab folder, banana cut. And all I'm gonna have to do is take this banana, replace it with this banana. And after I've replaced it successfully, we are going to split it in half, and because it moves like this, we'll basically launch this part of the banana here, and we're gonna rotate it, you know, like that. And yeah, that's the idea. And then maybe I can also make a game over screen or something like that, or maybe not a game over screen, but some way to lose, you know, or debug.log lose. Yeah, and we'll make it so that it works for other bananas as well and other fruits in general. Yeah, thank you for attending this stream. I hope it was useful, or it will be useful, because I'm pretty sure no one is watching it at the moment, but who knows, maybe in a few years or a few weeks, we'll find out.